Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Hearts, read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. Hearts. Do you see the card with a heart? Do you see balloon hearts? Do you see paper boats with red hearts? Do you see heart cookies? Heart cookies, yum, yum. Do you see chocolate hearts? All you need is love. L-O-V-E, love. L-O-V-E, love. Do you see people with hearts? Do you see children with a big heart? Do you see pink hearts? Do you see the hearts in the basket? Do you see hearts in the box? I see hearts everywhere. The hearts are for you. The hearts are for you. The hearts are for you. Happy Valentine's Day! Happy Valentine's Day! We love you. We love you. Do you see the heart in the sky? The heart is for you. February 14. Happy Valentine's Day! Every time I look at the keyboard, I see that you and I are always together. Every time I look at the keyboard, I see that you and I are always together. To my Valentine, if apples were pears, and peaches were plums, and the rose had a different name, if tigers were bears, and fingers were thumbs, I'd love you just the same. Heart cookies! Happy Valentine's Day! In the cookies of life, your friends are the chocolate chips. Thank you for being our friends. If you like my books and the way I read them aloud, you can thank me here. PayPal, Little Angel Reader, @gmail.com. Hi, my name is Anna Mitkevich. I'm a professional English teacher with more than 20 years of experience. You can find my books on Amazon. Books. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Little angel reader.